Welcome. We're here today to show you in detail the importance of submitting a great request to quote form from our website and why it's so critical to gather as much accurate information as possible in order for us to deliver the absolute best service we can provide you. So let's get started. When completing our online form, there are 4 sections to focus on. First is our contact section. Well, pretty self-explanatory here. Just fill out everything you can so we can contact you with your new installation quote as soon as possible. Second is our vehicle information section. You guessed it. We need to know the make and model of your EV to determine the best charging solution for your home. Third is our home description section. As promised, our #1 priority is safety, and unfortunately, we will not sacrifice on quality when it comes to you and your family. The detailed information regarding your home's construction and appliance configuration is critical to helping us determine a proper load calculation for the home. In order for us to see where your current electric usage is now and where it will be once we add your new EV charger. This ensures that we're not exceeding the electric capacity of the home has to offer. All other information about the home's layout, history, future plans, details, or even additional personnel contacts can be entered into our additional information or comment section below. Fourth and final is our photo upload section. This is the most important piece of the form. Our experts will take the form you provided on the previous 3 sections and from the photos you upload inside this section and cross-reference both with online mapping technology to come up with a complete 360-degree view of your installation scope of work. A few suggestions when uploading photos and gathering information. Focused photos. If you can't see it clearly, there's a good chance neither will we. Lighting. Great lighting can help with clarity and accurate layout determinations. Painting the picture. A great photo says 1,000 words. Electricians try to determine in a linear fashion the best way an electric circuit can be installed from your electric panel to your new charger. Thus, by National Electric Code standards, we need a standing structure, either a wall or a stud, to attach our conduit and wire through when installing. Now, remember the old Windows snake pipe screensaver or the mobile phone snake game? This is how we have to run our electric lines. Keep in mind, your home is already built, so we're having to complete the installation in a post-construction setting. Thus, our goal is to position our conduit lines either low and out of sight or high and tight, running along the wall-to-ceiling creases inside your garage in order to provide a smooth, clean, and crisp setup. Before we jump in, let's consider the following. First, think about mounting location. Try to envision how you're going to park the EV, front or rear load, or where you're going to park the EV, left or right side, relative to where your main electric panel is located. Take into account the family's current needs, but also future living situations. Examining the type of EV you purchase and its charging port location, family parking parameters, ease of access, cable length, cord management, or tripping hazards are just a few factors we take into account when properly guiding you to your optimal mounting location. Second, distance over power equals cost. In addition to what we discussed previously with the snake game formation, in order to complete the installation, we'll need to add about 3 feet of wire distance on each end of our setup to connect our wire terminals inside each device. These factors are how we determine the total length of the electric circuit on your quote. Okay, go ahead and click submit, and that's it. Again, thank you so much for your time and effort in completing our form. We hope that you get the most out of our process. And remember, with your form submission, we are both doing our part to help offset our own carbon footprint and utilize technology at our fingertips in hopes of speeding up the process and driving down the cost of EV charging station installations. What can you expect from us once submitted? Once your form is submitted, we will do our best to send you notifications and receipt of status updates on your estimates. All right, technicians are working around the clock to design and determine the best installation solutions given your home's setup and EV requirements. There may be limiting factors that can delay our estimates in getting to you, and thus we only ask that you be patient with us, as it is in the best interest of both us in getting your installation done as accurately and as safely as possible. Turnaround times on quotes can take anywhere between 24 and sometimes, but not too often, a few additional business days to get you set up properly. We will do everything in our power to get you installed as soon as possible. We appreciate your time, and hopefully we'll see you on the other side of a great form submission when we complete your new EV charger installation. After all, if you can't charge, you can't drive. We'll see you soon. Cheers.